my dude.
Joe! Cheers!
Cheers, Joe.
And beers. Joe! Those are nice skis you got there.
Yeah, Joe.
What do you do with them?
Joe, I take him to Vermont, dude. And we get on a chairlift and we go to the top of the mountain and ski down on the snow.
Oh. Cheers, Joe.
Cheers, Joe.
Joe, we should go skiing right now.
You can't go skiing out, Joe. There's no snow and it's raining outside.
Where I grew up, we used to go skiing anywhere, anytime. Let's go skiing right now.
All right, Joe. Bring it on.
Hey, Joe, can you move a little faster there? You're making me look like a champion.
Joe, I'm not used to this. I'm used to skiing on the snow. I'm not used to skiing on grass in the rain, Joe.
And that's why it's called cross-country skiing, Joe. Let's go.
Joe. All right, Joe.